Hi friends, I'm Bhavya. I am here to introduce the book Around the World in 80 Days. This book is written by Jules Verne. Around the World in 80 Days is an adventure novel by the French writer Jules Verne. First published in French in 1872. In the story, Phileas Fogg of London and his newly employed French valet Passepartout attempt to circumnavigate the world in 80 days on a 20,000 wager set by his friends at the Reform Club. It is one of Verne's most acclaimed works, originally published in 1872. Jules Gabriel Verne was a French novelist, poet, and playwright. He is born on 8 February 1828, Nantes, France. Nationality French. Period 1850 to 1905. He was died in 24 March 1905, Amiens, France. His movies were Journey to the Mysterious Island, Journey to the Center of the Earth, and more. Short stories: Dr. Ox's Experiment, Master Zacharias, The Blockade Runners, and more. Around the World in 80 Days, Journey to the Center of the Earth, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, The Mysterious Island, From the Earth to the Moon. These 5 and most of Verne's novels were published in the Voyages Extraordinaries series. Characters of Around the World are Jean Passepartout, Phileas Fogg, Auda, Inspector Fix. Author Jules Verne. Genre adventure fiction. Original language French language. Countries it visited in Around the World in 80 Days are London, United Kingdom to Suez, Egypt. Rail and steamer across the Mediterranean Sea. Bombay to Calcutta, India. Rail, Calcutta to Victoria, Hong Kong. Steamer across the South China Sea. Hong Kong to Yokohama, Japan. Steamer across the South China Sea, East China Sea, and the Pacific Ocean. Phileas Fogg starts his journey from London. Plot: the story starts in London on Wednesday, 2 October 1872. Phileas Fogg is a rich British gentleman living in solitude. Despite his wealth, Fogg lives a modest life with habits carried out with mathematical precision. Phileas Fogg, the stern and disciplined man, claims that it is possible to go around the world in 80 days. He is challenged to accomplish this feat himself. Thus, the major theme is the possibility or probability of going around the globe in 80 days. Fogg manages to prove that it is possible despite all odds. Why did Jules Verne write Around the World in 80 Days? He wrote a series of articles about his adventures for the Cleverland Leader. Even Thomas Cook organized a trip for tourists to circle the globe. The 7-month adventure launched on September 20, 1872. On 24 March 1905, Jules Verne died at the age of 77. Thank you.